Hey fishing friends, JC here with Rad Reeling Fishing. Today we're doing a catch and cook on some snook. That's right, I caught a big old snook last night, a 31-incher. Man, I had my GoPro set on the wrong setting. It was on narrow, so some of the footage is fat, but you know what? That's okay. Still got some good footage. He hammered that thing. I lost 3 other big snook too. Hey, anyway, so we're going to cook this stuff up, and I promise you, this is the only way to cook snook, man. I mean, once you cook snook like this, you probably will never want to ever cook snook any other way again. I mean, yeah, you know what? Snook is good no matter how you cook it. You can grill it, you can pan sear it, you can bake it, whatever. But today, we're going to fry up some snook with my secret recipe that I've been using for years. Don't leave one ingredient out or one step out, guys, because it just won't taste as good as what my snook tastes. I'm telling you what, guys, this is you will never have a snook as good as this snook. This is the best fried snook recipe on the planet, okay? I'm telling you. I'm just telling you the way it is. So anyway, I'm just so grateful that I can bring this video to you. This is my second slot snook of the season, and I'm doing better than I did last season already. So I'm looking forward to catching some more snook, man. But today, we're doing the catch and cook. So hey, let's get on this catch and cook on the snook, and let's roll this footage so you can see me actually catch the fish before I cook it. Now, that's just a bunch of rambling on, but I sure am having fun. Switching it up to a different jig. There he is. There he is. There he is. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a big fish. That's a monster, man. He's a good one. That's a good one. Oh my God, he's pulling hard. He's coming to me. Listen to that, baby. Screaming drag. That's a big fish. He's coming to me fast. Coming to me fast. He's right in front of me. Where you at, big boy? There he is. Woo! Oh my God, yeah. Woo, what a fight, man. Woo, baby. That's a good one. Now, let's see what we got here. Look at that. To the tail. Bad boy is 31. Woo, baby. He's a keeper. Man, look at that. He sucked that jig in there. I just switched that out too, man. Put on a different jig. Whew, put a hurting on that jig. Look at that. Yeah, baby. 31. Slot snook time. All right, guys, here's your ingredients. Eggs, Lowry seasoned salt, cabbages, Bisquick, flour, and some kind of oil. You've got to have the deep frying pan, man. Yeah, about $9 at Walmart for one of these. Even like with the lid, so you don't get this splashy stuff all over the place. And yeah, you gotta have the deep frying pan, man, if you're gonna cook up some delicious fish. That's all there is to it. I mean, make the investment, right? Really. Crack you a couple eggs, mix that up really good. Of course, you want to make sure you pat your fish with a paper towel or whatever. Make sure it's dry. You don't want it all watery. We're going to dip this in the egg, and then we're going to dip it in our flour and Bisquick mixture. Then we're going to drop it in the oil. So I'm not going to bore you with like mixing all this stuff together, okay? Let me just tell you what I did. Half Bisquick and half flour. Just put it in some kind of container, mix it up together. Take your Lowry seasoned salt and your cabbages, just season it up really good. You know, lick your fingers, stick it in there, taste it, make sure that you can taste the seasoning. That's the way you want to do your flour and Bisquick mix. All right, let's talk about the snook. Doesn't that look good, man? You don't want big, like huge, thick chunks of snook for frying, all right? I just make them into nice, strips. I'd say that's about 3/4 of an inch by an inch, inch and a quarter, something like that. And you know, you're just kind of doing like snook fingers here is what the idea is. Little oil in the pan there, little oil in the pan. That's looking pretty good. Let's see, a little bit more. So I'm starting out with like a medium-high setting on the stove. You know, you want that oil like kind of cooking hot, you know? All right, rock and roll. Fish in the egg. Drop it in the flour and Bisquick mixture. Gently lay it in there. Look at that sizzle. Kind of cooking hot.
Cooking hot.
That's what you want right there. Here's what you got to do, man. Make you a nice salad, something that's low fat. Balance that meal out, you know. You're eating fried food. Eat something healthy with it. And that way you're not going over the top with calories. Don't like fry up a bunch of French fries and have potatoes and rice and all that stuff that'll make you fat, all right? Go for the low fat stuff. That's what I'm talking about. Get you a plate out too. Put your paper towels on there so you can put the fish on there and pat the grease off of the fish. Oh yeah, that's the color you're looking for right there. Nice golden brown, almost a dark brown. You don't want any lighter than that. Now, you know, one of the things I forgot to tell you guys is you should cook one piece to check the seasoning on your batter. You know, to make sure that you might need to add some seasoning to it, or maybe you've seasoned it too heavy and you need to add in some more flour and Bisquick. Just pat it a little bit with the paper towel to get the surface oil off of it. You know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, that's going to be nice and crispy. Amen. Kentucky Fried Chicken and Popeyes ain't got nothing on me. Woo, baby. Check that out. Now that is looking like some deliciousness, some goodness that will make your tongue slap your brains out. Hey, you know, thumbs up are always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Click that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload new videos. Get out there and go fishing. You don't want to miss out on life, man. I'm sure there's a big fish out there waiting for you to come catch them. Until next time, see ya!